Question number one. What is the primary function of the urinary bladder? Correct answer is option B. Store urine. Question number two. Which type of epithelium lines the urinary bladder? Correct answer is option C. Transitional. Question number three. What is the average capacity of the adult urinary bladder? Correct answer is option C. 400 to 600 ml. Question number four. What structure allows voluntary control of urination? Correct answer is option B. External urethral sphincter. Question number five. The smooth muscle layer of the bladder is known as the. Correct answer is option B. Detrosor muscle. Question number six. The triangular area of the bladder formed by the two ureters and the urethra is called the. Correct answer is option B. Trigone. Question number seven. Which nervous system controls bladder contractions? Correct answer is option B. Parasympathetic. Question number 8. The urinary bladder is located in which body cavity? Correct answer is option B. Pelvic cavity. Question number 9. Which hormone influence water reabsorption and indirectly affects bladder function? Correct answer is option B. Antidiuretic hormone ADH. Question number 10. Which diagnostic test measures bladder capacity and pressure? Correct answer is option C. Urodynamic testing. Question number 11. What is the term for involuntary leakage of urine? Correct answer is option C. Incontinence. Question number 12. What is the medical term for painful urination? Correct answer is option A. Dysuria. Question number 13. What is the first sign of a urinary tract infection? UTI. Correct answer is option B. Dysuria. Question number 14. The external urethral sphincter is primarily made of. Correct answer is option B. Skeletal muscle. Question number 15. Which condition involves an inability to empty the bladder completely? Correct answer is option B. Retention. Question number 16. Which embryological structure gives rise to the bladder? Correct answer is option C. Cloaca. Question number 17. Which of the following is a risk factor for bladder cancer? Correct answer is option B. Smoking. Question number 18. In males, the prostate gland is located. Correct answer is option C. Below the bladder. Question number 19. The sensation to urinate is typically triggered when the bladder holds approximately. Correct answer is option B. 150 ml. Question number 20. Which imaging modality is most commonly used to assess bladder stones? Correct answer is option C. Ultrasound. Question number 21. What is the name of the opening where urine exits the bladder? Correct answer is option B. Urethral orifice. Question number 22. Which structure prevents backflow of urine into the ureters? Correct answer is option D, ureterovesical junction. Question number 23. The internal urethral sphincter is controlled by the. Correct answer is option B, sympathetic nervous system. Question number 24. Which nerve carries sensory signals from the bladder to the spinal cord? Correct answer is option D, pelvic nerve. Question number 25. Which condition is characterized by sudden, uncontrollable urges to urinate? Correct answer is option B, urge incontinence. Question number 26. What is the primary cause of stress incontinence? Correct answer is option B, weak pelvic floor muscles. Question number 27. What is hematuria? Correct answer is option A, blood in urine. Question number 28. Which diagnostic procedure involves visualizing the bladder with the camera? Correct answer is option C, cystoscopy. Question number 29. Which condition occurs when the bladder is unable to store urine properly? Correct answer is option A, overactive bladder. Question number 30. What is the most common use of bladder infection? Correct answer is option C, bacterial infections. Question number 31. What is the role of the detrosole muscle? Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 32. In females, the bladder is located interior to the. Correct answer is option B, rectum. Question number 33. Bladder diverticulum is defined as. Correct answer is option A, herniation of the bladder wall. Question number 34. What is the pH of normal urine? Correct answer is option A, acidic 4.5 to 6.5. Question number 35. Which urinary condition is associated with diabetes mellitus? Correct answer is option B, glycosuria. Question number 36. What is the medical term for nighttime urination? Correct answer is option C, nocturia. Question number 37. Which drug class is commonly used to treat overactive bladder? Correct answer is option B, anticholinergics. Question number 38. The ureters enter the bladder at an angle to prevent. Correct answer is option B, reflux. Question number 39. Bladder cancer is most commonly diagnosed using. Correct answer is option B, urine cytology. Question number 40. What type of catheter is used for long-term bladder drainage? Correct answer is option C, suprapubic catheters. Question number 41. The bladder is derived from which embryonic layer? Correct answer is option A, endoderm. Question number 42. What is the term for an abnormal opening between the bladder and another organ? Correct answer is option A, fistula. Question number 43. Interstitial cystitis is a chronic condition characterized by. Correct answer is option B, bladder pain without infection. Question number 44. The sympathetic nervous system primarily affects the bladder by. Correct answer is option D, both A and C. Question number 45. Which imaging technique is best for evaluating the bladder wall? Correct answer is option C, MRI. Question number 46. What is oliguria? Correct answer is option B, scanty urine output. Question number 47. Which medication can discolor urine organ? Correct answer is option B, phenazopyridine. Question number 48. What is a common complication of urinary retention? Correct answer is option B, bladder stones. Question number 49. What is the name of the bladder's outermost layer? Correct answer is option D, adventitia. Question number 50. The urethra is shorter in females, making them more prone to. Correct answer is option C, urinary tract infections.